Hey guys, welcome back to Divas channel here on YouTube. My name is Tiny, and on this channel I create college, fashion, beauty, and business related content. Today I'm going to be telling you guys the top college essentials that every girl must have. These are your must haves. So we're just going to get started in this video. Okay, for number one, we have a party kit.
God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
A party kit is basically something that can be compared to like a spend the night bag. You know what a spend the night bag is. So basically, a bag that has something for you to freshen up with, some extra clothes, some medicine, and anything you know you would need after a party, like just in case you don't end up staying home, going back home to your dorm after the party. If you go stay somewhere else, at least you have something to change into, freshen up, brush your teeth, etc, etc. And if you are hungover or any type of thing, you have medicine to get over your headache, get yourself together real quick.
Everything together. Check. Mission accomplished.
Number two is your makeup. I'm not sure if you wear makeup, but college is the time to start learning. So I would say take some makeup just in case you really want to get cute, and that's pretty simple. But you must have some makeup just so you can just get cute whenever you want. We have party shoes. When I say party shoes, I mean shoes you don't care about, because your shoes will be getting stepped on when they're singing Dreams and Nightmares. They will be stepping on them white Air Forces, so you better do yourself justice, do yourself good.
It was supposed to give, but it did not give what needed to be gave.
Why would you want to wear white Air Forces, honey? Get some shoes you don't care about, so that when they get dirty, your feelings not hurt, and you're not over there bending over with a toothbrush. You're not going to the mall trying to get your shoes cleaned. We have a key holder, and honestly, everybody should have a key holder, but I feel like when it comes to us girls, your key holder should have more than just keys on it. It should have, of course, your keys, but you should have some type of like protection gear. Personally, on mine, I have pepper spray, and I am getting a taser. And those two things is good enough for me with my keys, so that just in case you have to go anywhere alone at night, you're fine and you feel more protected, because it's not safe out here.
Okay then, well let's step it up a notch then.
Okay, so number four, we have lip gloss. Okay, that might seem pretty simple, like girl, obviously, but just take as much as you can, because there's probably, like I said, not going to be a lot of beauty supply stores in your area, and it might be hard to access, and you might not be able to, you're not gonna be able to order it if you lose a lip gloss. Like, you know, lip glosses be running away at night, so just keep one for yourself. Keep a bunch for yourself, honestly. For number five, we have biker shorts. Biker shorts are so comfortable. Like, as a girl, you definitely need some biker shorts, because you don't want to get cute all the time, but you don't want to look funny, and it might be hot and it's not cold to wear, be wearing long pants. So biker shorts really be a lifesaver. Like, that's probably what you mostly will wear, are some biker shorts and maybe some hoodies, or some light shirts, some t-shirts. Just get yourself a lot of biker shorts. Those are probably going to be the main part of your outfits in college. For number six, we have a small or a clear bag, and that's mostly because when you're going to school events like football games, not all schools, but at most schools, you probably are going to need something clear so that they can see through it, or something small so that they can quickly check through it, just for security reasons. So just have that, so you don't have to get sent back home, or you don't have to take out everything in your big bag. Just have a small, or like I said, clear bag. We have business outfits, so some skirts, some button-ups. You never know when it's going to be an opportunity for you to get a job or network with somebody, and you don't want to come out in college gear or something that doesn't look professional. So just have some business outfits packed, maybe like 2 or 3. Next we have about 8 pairs of shoes. So I broke it down, but you can pick whatever you feel like you dress up in more, but you need at least 1 shoe for business. You need, I would say, 3 for outings, and then 3 comfy ones. But you could still add more to that, but I'm saying at least have 8 and bring the most of what is more important to you based on what you dress like more. You know what I mean? If you wear sneakers more, bring more sneakers. If you wear more flats, sandals, Crocs, bring more Crocs, you know. Next we have medicine. So have your Tylenol, your ibuprofen, all type of medications, because you know how it gets during that time of the month, and you don't want to be dependent on anybody else or looking for a school nurse, and maybe the school nurse not there, and run into the store but your stomach hurts. So just come with that medication already. I mean, the next one I have is a robe and shower caddy, just so that you can keep your stuff in one place, especially if you're sharing a bathroom. You can just take your stuff in, take your stuff out, but I'm pretty sure a lot of you know that. But the robe, I would say that's really helpful, especially if you don't like getting naked around other females, other girls. So I would definitely say bring a robe, because it's nice, tight, and secure, and you could just walk out from the bathroom, right into your room, easy peasy lemon squeezy. The last thing I would say you're gonna need, which is definitely party related, is some type of fanny pack, or what's crossbody bag, something that can stay on you but it's small enough so that you could still carry your phone, lip gloss, essentials like keys and stuff without losing those things. Because that little pocket that a lot of people be trying to suggest to you behind your phone will get your ID, your card, all that important stuff back there will get stolen. So don't even do that little behind the phone nonsense. Just get yourself a little bag that you carry around most of the time, and especially for parties, something small that can stay on you so that you don't lose your stuff. And that's it for the list. If you have any suggestions on what we should add to this list so that other girls can know what they need to add and take for college that probably isn't out there already, comment down below. Thank you guys for tuning in to D-Best channel here on YouTube, and look forward to more college related content this month, guys, and I'll see you guys later with more content. Y'all gonna be so happy. So am I.